Happy Tuesday, everybody. We're at the NITRO Ranch on a Tuesday morning. Shaun's entertaining the guests. This is cool. Definitely cool. Look at the hammer. It's almost like a hammer tone finish. I want to get the owner over here so we can talk about it. Shaun drives this van and that Ramber around everywhere. On both street legal. This Diamond T, he drives that everywhere too.
As these guys say, something to do.
So Joe, tell me about your car. It's a, what year is it?
It's a 1930.
A 30.
Yeah.
I love the finish. It's almost like a hammer tone.
Yeah.
You know, and it's something that you can't fake it, you know?
No, it sat under a tarp for about 40 years.
Really?
And just slowly kind of, you know.
Little small block Chevy with those Strombergs on there.
Yep. Yep.
And
big 97s.
And it's just a clean little build. I just, you know, the detail you had, you're spot on with the rivets and the rivets, and then all the acorn nuts on it, and just enough. I love the finish on it. No polishing, no waxing,
no maintenance,
just driving. And are these homemade friction shocks or something you found?
A buddy of mine built this in 2013, and I'm not sure what he meant. He built the whole thing by hand himself. I'm not sure if that's something that's off something. You know, I don't know nothing about it, but I ended up having to put these on here because going 50 or 60, sometimes they hit a pothole. You know.
Oh yeah. You
wouldn't quite carry the wheel, so
you don't even see those.
No,
you know.
No,
and
hey, Shaun put those on. It's beautiful.
I have some MG shocks like that I have on eBay. And this is perfect for the application.
Yeah.
But I don't even notice them. Your eyes get drawn toward
the craftsmanship.
Yeah. It's not too confusing. Some of these guys, you know, I mean, it's cool and stuff, but they overdo it. It takes you 2 weeks to look at the whole car.
Yeah.
Just all the little details are nice. All the little, I like the rivets, the pot rivets. That is cool.
Spot welding inside too, with all the skin.
Yeah. Oh God, look at all that. Yeah, all these rivets. Man alive. But you know what? I bet you, maybe not. Did you pre-bend it, or did you bend it as you put it?
Buddy of mine did all this.
Oh,
you know?
okay.
There was just he had to put skin everywhere. I mean, it's the whole rocker panels. Right. So I'm sure there was a problem here.
Yeah.
You know that he just.
But the shape this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I mean, look at the detail he did. The what? Oh yeah, look at the ridge on that.
Yeah.
Guy's definitely got some skills.
Oh, he built 4 of them.
And the shifter's off the hook.
Right.
Couldn't be a normal shifter.
How would you want to do that? Yeah, but go for a cruise, man.
All the basics.
Yeah.
I can jump right in there, right?
Yeah, let's do it.
How? Did I go? Oh my God! Whose glasses are these?
Those are mine.
They'll be gone if I sit down in there.
Okay.
That's what. Okay. You sure I can't go over on the top? Let's see. What do? Just beep, beep.
Watch that cotter pin there on the door. Yep,
Cotter
back in now.
Cotter pin on the door. Damn. This is made for midgets. Wow. There's the MSD box right there. Okay. Don't slam the door. Shaun. Oh wow. Air conditioning too. That's cool. Oh, the ratchet shifter. is the door latch?
Back at a 45.
What's that?
Back at a 45, kind of shock it that way.
Oh, there you go. Wow, it's pretty solid. Okay, oh, the ground's here. Okay. Wow. That is so cool, man. Thanks for the ride.
Yeah.
Got a little illuminator tucked in there, keep it cool. You would know those were new carburetors.
Yeah, I found some stain online.
I like the cover on the coil too. That's kind of cool. And I guess this gives you full access to your rear end.
No, he's got it boxed in pretty nice.
You're shitting me. Really? Oh, that's funny. That's funny. All this minimalist, wherever they call it, and then that's electric. That's cool. Oh, I mean, it just adds insult to injury. I like that. And the rivets going on the inside too.
And that's it. This here's got a little drain on it for beer and ice.
Oh wow! All the essentials.
Yeah, you know. You gotta be able to empty it out.
Wow, it's like an SUV. Well, cool, man.
Yeah.
This is Joe's 30 Model A rat rod. And you said rear end was a 9-inch Ford, or
9-inch, yep.
Wow.
Turbo 400.
Sean built you the headers?
No, the original builder.
Yeah, so he has provisions for baffles.
Yeah, he gave them to me, but I
no one's gonna rash you. Oh, he made the frame, or did he make that frame?
Oh yeah.
It's all boxed, hand-built frame, all boxed in.
It's Z'd here. It's got, I think it's a 6-inch drop in the frame, he said.
Yeah. That looks like a 29 front end. Cool. Cool. Okay, I got fired out. He's
You're well into that hour, I'm thinking.
Oh man. Thank you for the as he sails off into the sunset. As he does that, everybody have a great Tuesday. A lot going on today. We are working on the lower pulleys. We're trying to dial in these lower pulleys. We got a machine shop over here. Believe it or not, that's my old balancer. This is my old lower pulley. Damn, how did I get damaged? We we're going to we're dropping the power steering course, so we only need a single pulley, so we need a spacer like that. We need a spacer like that made. And I got all this, I just gotta get Shaun here to get his attention long enough to get it done, because I gotta go. Okay, I'll talk to you.